Hello everyone, welcome to our website, The Monk Store. Here we offer a variety of gadgets like mobile, laptops, and storage devices. This is our landing page. Now we click on this continue button to move to the login and sign up page. This is the login page of our website. Every registered user can every time log in into our store through this page. A new user can register themselves from the create account button at the bottom. We click on it. Now we enter the credentials. We type a password. Now we press the continue button. It says that an email verification has been sent. So we check our inbox. We found a verification email here. We click on it and click on the verify link. Now our verification is successful. Now we enter the credentials again to log in. We enter the password and press on the continue button. Now this is our home page. This is the home settings, order history, card history, and become a seller option. We also have a logout button in the nav bar. Now first we visit the settings option. Here we can update our profile. For example, I enter a mobile number, type our gender, and address. Now we save the changes, so we'll be logged out of the store and our profile is updated. Now we again log in, press on the continue button. Now if we check our profile, we see that it is updated. We move back to the home page. Now we see the order history. Here we can find all the products that we have purchased. Order history at current is empty because we have not purchased anything yet. We move back to the home page. Here is a become a seller option. We will discover it later. Here there is a logout button. We click on it to log out from the store. Now we log in again. For example, if you forgot your password, you can click on the forgot your password button. So it asks for the email for which the password is to be reset. We enter the email. We see that a password link has been sent. We check our email account. A password reset request has been published. We click on the reset password button. Now it asks us for the new password. So we set the new password and press on the reset button. Now our password is reset successfully. We log into the website again with the new password. Press on the continue button. You see we are logged in into our home page. We have also received a password reset confirmation email. We visit our email ID and we see that the password reset request has been accepted and our password is reset. Now we scroll down in the home page. We find the list of products that our store offers. The first are laptops, smartphones, and storages. We visit the product view page and we see a list of laptops. Similarly, we can toggle between the switches of laptop, smartphone, and storages. We click on smartphones and we see all the smartphone products that are offered by our store. Similarly, storages. If we want to add any of the product to our cart, we can click this option, add to cart. Now the details of the product are visible to us. We click on add to cart and the item is added to our cart. We visit the home page and see the cart history. We find that the product is in our cart. The cart value and the GST of the cart value is visible. We move back to our products page. Now if we want to buy any product, for example, I want to buy this Asus TUF gaming laptop. So I press on the buy now button. All the details of this product are visible to me. Now I press on this buy now button. It says that the order is placed. So now if we move to the order history, we see that the total amount spent, the product we have bought, its details, and the billing date. We also find the GST which we have paid on our product and the total orders. We have also received an email of confirmation of our product purchase. We visit our email inbox. We see that order request email. It says that order placed, the product name, its price, and the delivery mode. We move back to our order history page. So this way our order history page works. Now we move back to the home page. The next option which we see is the cart history and a become a seller option. We click on become a seller. It asks us for a login of seller account. So I log in with the same ID and click on the continue button. But we have to also checkbox this I agree to accept the terms and conditions. If we do not check it, we will get an alert that accept the terms and conditions to continue. So we check it up and press on the continue button. We are moved to the seller homepage. We now see an email that we have become a seller in the Monk store. We visit our email ID inbox and we see that welcome to Monk store. It welcomes us and says thank you for becoming a seller. We move back to our homepage. Now, a seller can sell his products by filling up this form about his product details. For example, I want to sell a Lenovo Legion laptop on this site. I offer a price, I categorize it as a laptop, and describe its features. Now, if I press add products, my product is set for selling. And log out of our seller account and log in as a normal customer. We move to the laptop section because we sold the laptop to the Monk store, and at the bottom we can see that there is a Lenovo Legion available for selling. This way one can become a seller in the Monk store. We next move again to the seller profile and see the products. Now if we move to the products option, we'll see all the products that we have been sold to the Monk store. So here we see the total amount which we are offering, the product name, and the product description. If you click on this remove button, the product will be removed from our product sold option. We move back to the home page. Here are all the options. We can log out from the seller page and we move back to the login page. Now you can log in normally as a buyer. We enter the password, continue. We are back to the home page. Now on the bottom we have our team, me, myself Anshrusia, my colleague Shubhajit Pradhan, and my colleague Varun Kumar Tiwari. Here we also have a feedback form so that we can receive the valuable feedback of our customers. If I write a feedback and submit, we see that a feedback is sent, and this mail is actually sent to our admin. The admin can see all the feedback. Now we move to the About Us page. This is an About Us page which describes our site. We have three co-founders of our site, myself Anshrusia, Shubhajit Pradhan, and Varun Kumar Tiwari. We are second year students at Triple IT Gwalior. All the features of our site are mentioned. Now we move back to the home page. This is a complete home page view of our website. Now if we click on the logout button, we are logged out of our site. And whenever we want to log in again, we can enter our credentials and password. Thank you.